I downloaded Dragon Speaking Anywhere. This is my iPad Pro. And I had about 3 days worth of work. It was only a page, but I had edited it heavily because I was going to use it with a teleprompter. And I must have touched and accidentally selected everything. And my daughter came in the room and started talking. And it wrote a nice paragraph about what she was saying. And I used the commands that Dragon Speaking suggests to undo everything that she said, but it only came back to here. Now, the problem I have with this is that, you see it says saved, and this, if you dictate something in here, like dictate something in here, see the saved goes away, and then when I stop, it comes back. And that leads me to believe that there's some kind of backup. But I called customer service, and they were very nice, and they informed me that there is no backup beyond whatever you can go back on the screen. There is no history. So this is unacceptable, and I've switched back to Google Documents, where everything that you say, where are we here? Everything that you say, everything you dictate in. Now, it might not be quite as proficient as Dragon Speaking, but I looked up the commands, and they added to the commands, new document. You press this little thing here, and it starts entering what I'm saying. And I can even say left parentheses, comment 1, right parentheses, delete that. Now see, it doesn't delete, erase. There's some command for that, and I don't know what it is. But at any rate, I can just press this button down here, and I have a keyboard, and I can hit delete. I can select the areas, and I can just delete them. I can use my Apple Pencil and hit and delete that, which is much more convenient when I need to delete stuff on Dragon Speaking. But I hadn't used it but a few weeks. So now this is completely saved. There is no chance of losing this unless Google starts losing things. It's always there, and I can always get to it. And then I can bring it up on my screens here, and it's easy. I use TeleprompterPAD, and I can hit this, open, and go to Google Drive and find test on here. It needs to be saved as a doc. So test, come over here, share and export, save as Word file. It's saving it as a Word file. It also shows up here as the Word file, and there's the GDoc file. Now we can go to Teleprompter, open, Drive. I have to go down here and click on that. Only plain text is imported, and so there it is. And I can shorten it and rearrange it to whatever I need. Come over here and edit it if I want to change it. That's usually something like how I use it. Anyway, I don't recommend Dragon Speaking. Google Docs and translate to DocX is what's going to work for me.